Hey everybody, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I want to be showing you how to change out a drum on a Xerox Altalink B8200 series copier. First thing you're going to want to do when changing your drums is you're going to open the front cover. You want to locate the waste toner transport assembly, which is this front piece right here. You're going to want to unlock it. You want to depress the tabs on the side, push them in, and then pull straight out on it. You can set this aside for now. Right here is what's called your developer assembly, and it has a latch, and the latch will say R1, R2, R3, R4, and you're going to lift that latch up. Then you're going to want to squeeze the orange button on the end of the drum and pull straight out. You do not want to touch the green surface on the drum. What I like to do is I get my hand under the middle of it, and I'll put my thumb up against the left side black plastic piece, and that way I have a good hold of it when it comes out. And that's your drum. And you'll take it and you'll have a guide right here, and that little guide will go into this little slot right here. And once you know you have it installed where it needs to be, you'll slide it right back in. You'll throw down the latch on the developer assembly, and then you'll take your waste toner transport assembly and you'll set it straight in just a little bit, and then I like to take my thumbs and push on both sides evenly at the same time until they both click in, just like that. Then you'll relock it, you'll close the front cover, and you're back in business. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.